You ever watch something and instantly feel your brain buffering? Oh no. That was the moment when his brain said, I understand this, and gravity said, no, you don't. The classic human being in the face of events and happenings.
I think that's definitely a spider though. Oh my god, Grace, there's a spider. Grace, there's a spider.
If this video made you laugh, cry, or question reality, give it a like, drop a comment, and hit subscribe. And don't ghost me, tap that bell too. Stay till the end, because the best laugh is always saved for last. Life's too short not to laugh, so take a break, enjoy this moment, and let go.
Si ki mi klet si na gangsta.
Let's give it a go, bismillah.
Oh, by the way, it's slippery. Don't fall, don't fall, don't fall. Hold on, hold on, hold on!
Don't blink, the craziest part is just seconds away.
Bloody hell, George, don't do that!
Go, pick on. What are you doing?
I almost just died.
Emma!
Oh my god,
Hey, Mom. I need to talk to you.
Okay, we are starting on a new book. It's called...
Man!
Feel that? That's your stress leaving. Stay with me. It gets even better.
Afraid to look. Another MacGyver hack job?
Maybe.
One, two, three, go. And 3, 2.
This isn't just a video. It's your permission to smile today.
You see the head?
What are you doing?
It's got an allergen thing for the pants.
Leaves.
Are you... Watch it!
I got sent over by CO.
Hey!
Warning, the next 10 seconds may cause uncontrollable laughter.
What are you doing? It's not even...
Some moments aren't just funny. They hit you right in the happy soul.
Dadgummit!
Running from the police?
Look at that.
For real?
I don't know what's worse, this or your fingernails. Ugh.
By telling Blue that your friend's not food, please. Shield.
He's not reacting.
You deserve this joy, for real. So stay, smile, and just be here.
She hit me with her bra.
Because sometimes, all you need is a dumb video to feel human again.
I'm not trying that. Camera recording. Oh!
Oh. Oh,
1, 2, 3.
Oh my god!
Oh, God! Fucker, stop!
What you're about to see might just fix your whole mood. Stay with me till the end. Laughter is cheaper than therapy, but 100% effective.
Where? Right down that.
Oh, you got it.
Tweet about it.
Are you kidding?
All the pretty girls walk like this, 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 this.
This one's for you. Forget the world for a sec. Let's laugh together.
That one.
Oh, God, dog. God, dog.
Oh my god, so good. Huh?
If you thought this was wild, the next one might actually break your brain. Click it. I dare you.